At Subaru of Sonora, we know everyone is different, and that includes how you want to buy a vehicle. Some people want to come in, sit behind the wheel of every vehicle, listen to the sound system, maybe even kick the tires, while others want to go online and click on the vehicle they want and hit Add to Cart. We're here to give you both with our online express purchase. You can shop and purchase your vehicle when it's convenient for you. We'll even deliver your vehicle within a reasonable distance. Here's how our express purchase works. First, shop our amazing inventory of new Subarus and even our great selection of used vehicles. Once you find the vehicle you like, click on Calculate Payment to see what you can afford with varying terms and APR rates. Then, if you're trading in a vehicle, you can easily find out the value by clicking on Value My Trade, and you can easily apply your instant cash offer from Kelley Blue Book towards the purchase of your new vehicle. Then click on Pre-Qualify for quick and secure financing options that meet your needs. Finally, submit your offer by clicking on Send and Update Summary, and we'll do the rest. It's fast and easy and on your time. Plus, at Subaru of Sonora, we offer an exclusive 25-year limited powertrain warranty on every new Subaru, so you have peace of mind when buying from us. So what are you waiting for? Give Express Purchase a try.